Let's see how to put an image inside of a shape. So first of all, you have to unlock your image layer and then go to edit, and here just click on copy and copy your image. Now I'm going to file and creating a new project. So here's my project. Now in this tool section, I'm selecting this custom shape tool, and here I'm clicking on the shape, and now you can go ahead and easily select any shape from this category. So let's select this flower shape, for example, and here I'm just drawing my shape. So here I have the shape ready. Now it's time to add our image into this shape. So just press Ctrl V, and here we can see the image pasted. Now here select layers and right click on your image layer and then click on create clipping mask, and we can see the image successfully inserted into the shape. And you can select the image layer and you can easily crop the image just like this. You can also change your image position. So that's how you can actually put an image into a shape. Thanks for watching.